Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beautiful Watercolors. Hope you are most likely to ideas about how to draw a beautiful scene. Follow this step. Material needed: pen, paper, pencil, eraser, final liner, or colored pen, pencil. Step by step guide. Step 1. Draw the circle. Start by drawing a perfect circle, being a compass or tracking a circular object like a cup or a lid on your paper. This will be your boundary for the scenery. Step 2. Plan the composition. Think out the scene you want to depict. It could be a landscape, mountains, river, trees, seascape, beach, ocean, something else. Visualize the element that fit within the circle and how they will flow. It's helpful to slightly sketch the major element like horizon, large trees, mountain, etc. Step 3. Horizontal line. Draw a horizontal line across the circle to represent the horizon. This helps divide the scene into sky and ground. Add key elements, starting adding the primary elements of your scene. Add trees, water, building, or any object in the foreground, keeping in mind that everything should fit within the circular boundary. Detail. Make sure the object pushing to the circle. Details. Add smaller detail like cloud texture on the ground, wave, leaves on trees, etc. Use shading or hatching to create depth and dimension, such as darker tones for the shadows area. By following these steps, you can create a beautiful and harmonious scenery within a circular frame. Okay, subscribe my channel, like my videos. Okay, bye bye.